everyone, and thank you for joining me here at Genesis 11. This video is part of a series of educational videos about trading, and today we're going to talk about tech trading. And what I mean by tech trading is technology stocks and how to take advantage of technology stocks. So I suggest everybody grab a piece of paper and a pen, and I'm going to show you on the Genesis 11 platform what are the best tech stocks that we have on the platform. What are the most attractive stocks that we have on the Genesis 11 platform? So hopefully after you logged in and you open an account, you go to the platform itself, and there we go. This is the oil. What you can see here in front of you are oil charts, but today we're going to speak about technology. Of course, technology on a very strong uptrend since the stay-home demand from the corona crisis. On the left side of the screen, all you got to do is go to the search field and you go to U.S. stocks. So you look for U.S. stocks here, and then you get all the different stocks that we have. And of course, not all the stocks are technology stocks. We have Airbnb, just kind of technology, but we have also energy stocks here, and we have bank stocks here, and we have much, much more. But today we're going to look for the technology, the big technology stocks. And mostly they are called the FANG, which stands for Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. So let's take a look on the search field how to find, for example, Facebook. So I'm going to click FB, or you can click just Facebook, and then you get the Facebook chart. So you can see that Facebook chart. I'm going to erase these charts here, and I'm going to open a nice Facebook chart. So this is our first big tech stock, Facebook. And we have, of course, Apple, APPLE. There we go with Apple. And I just clicked on the search field. APPLE stands for Apple. And you can buy and sell as usual. You can also open a chart there. And now we got our Apple chart open as well. Another very interesting asset is Amazon. We clicked Amazon, you get the price of Amazon, you click on that, you can buy, you can sell if you think that Amazon is going to go down. Of course, most people are buying Amazon stock, and we click on the chart here and we get an Amazon chart. Another very interesting tech stock is, of course, Google, and there we go. We click on Google, and then you get a chart of Google. So these are tech stocks, the biggest tech stocks in the market. Every one of these stocks, you got a very nice chart attached to it. And all you got to do in order to trade is once you click on Google or Facebook or any stock that you want to trade on, there you go with the buy and the sell options there on the Genesis 11 platform. Thank you, everybody, for joining me here in this tech session, and I'll see you in future sessions and videos.